This is off of the story of the ghost, I believe. Ah, no. Blair, you can't do that now. Come on, man. We play dead and we play fish. We love you, man. The sea is here sometimes when you just coast along. Like it or not, something always seems to go wrong. And sometimes people build you up just so they can knock you down. And sometimes they will have you cause they need someone along. Perhaps you'll receive invitations for tea. Perhaps you will make them and make them all smile. Or maybe you'll join them, cause it had to be. Perhaps you forgot what you forgot for a while. Birds of a feather are blocking out time. Birds of a feather are blocking out time. Birds of a feather are blocking outside. Birds of a feather are blocking outside. Like whippets they dance in a Q dance. Of pulses and ringing and campfire chants. Of ritual drumming, although at first glance you thought you could run, but you won't take the chance. It's not an experience if they could bring someone along to hang on emotions and bottle inside, to peck at the ground and to shut out. Birds of a feather are rocking outside. Birds of a feather are walking outside. Birds of a feather are walking outside. Birds of a feather are walking outside. walking outside. Birds of a feather are walking outside. Birds of a feather are walking outside. Birds of a feather are walking outside. We'll be right back. We got one more set for you guys. Stick around.